Jabili,
Oh yes, I'm coming. Oh no, where was I? I lost my pages. What do I do? I need something. Yes, a bookmark. But it's too late, I can't bring any bookmarks. Idea, what if I make a bookmark myself? That's amazing! Wanna see me make a bookmark? Have you ever lost reading in a book? This is the best idea ever. You can make a bookmark with me and you'll not get lost in your pages again. Let's get started. Alright guys, so here the stuff you need for the bookmark. So first you need a square paper, square, and then you need a scissors. And this one is optional. You can make it colorful, as pretty as you can, or else you can, it's your wish. You can make it simple. So guys, if you don't know how to make a square paper, or if you don't have one, it's easy. Take an A4 size paper, which is almost in everybody's home. You have to make it like this. Make sure the corners are exact the same. Over here. Fold it. The bottom part, you cut it out. And here you have a square. Okay guys, so here's the process of making a bookmark. First, you have to fold it into a triangle. Now, take this part carefully to the tip here. Okay? Make sure it's exactly correct, straight. Okay, now. Do the same here. There. Now get it out. Now, take a leaf, only one. Don't take the whole thing, just take only one. And keep it here, exactly here. Not up, not too much down, exactly here. Fold it. Alright guys, we are very close. Now all you gotta do is tuck this inside here, just like an envelope. Alright guys, if you're not sure of putting this exactly in, check the corner. If your paper reaches this end, then it's really correct. If it goes up or too much down, it's not correct. You have to redo it again. Right there. Now do the same here. Tuck it in. It's very easy guys. Everybody thinks it's really hard, but it's super easy. You don't have to buy them. It's a fun way to make bookmarks. Alright guys, our bookmark is ready. Yay! Now we won't have trouble in, reading. So I'm going to just show you the last point, how to do it. So you take the bookmark, take the book, open the page where you're reading, take the bookmark. You have to put the page in between these two things. Tuck it in. Done! Done, 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 done. So guys, you don't have to worry about it. It works in any kind of book, Alright guys, so as I said in the starting, I would like to create it much more better, like very beautifully. So 3, 2, 1, boom! Yay! I got my bookmark. I'm so happy. I decorated it. So guys, as you can see, I decorated my bookmark. You can make it much more fun by decorating much more better. So now I don't have trouble anymore to read. All I gotta do is just keep it in. Now I don't have trouble anymore to stop it. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. So I'll be posting more videos. I hope you like them. So if you really like them, make sure you push the subscribe button, the like button, and the bell button. Ding ding ding. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.